So today I want to talk about one of the best books ever written, which was called The Invisible Rainbow, and talks about the electrification of the planet and how electricity has impacted our cells for the last 150 years. And even before that with comets and radiation and plagues and all of these things. But if we go back into the last 150 years, we can see that the introduction of electricity has played a role on our health. And for example, in the 1800s and 1880s and 1900s, there were a lot of flu-like outbreaks, and they were all over different parts of the world. So the germs couldn't be jumping all the way across the ocean, but the technology was being installed at every different part across the world. Now it's interesting because when you look at this book, it also states that heart disease, cancer, and diabetes did not exist until the introduction of electricity. Now, I thought that was really fascinating because we have all these different, no sugar, high fat, low fat, all these other different diets, but we're not looking at the underlying factor of the electricity, the radiation, the cell phones, the cell phone towers, EMF, AirPods, all these different types of devices. The other interesting fact is they talked about the country of Bhutan did not have any electricity until 2002. They had no cancer, they had no diabetes, and they had no heart disease. When they installed the power plant, within 6 months, diabetes, cancer, and heart disease went through the roof. And the only underlying change was that they installed power plants and brought electricity while their diet remained the exact same.